Hey, how are you? Welcome back on the Seborga series, where we will build on a very short episode a staircase to join the old cities that we've built on the last episode to the new part of the city lower down. So for this, we just have few steps to follow. The first one, the most important one, is leveling your terrain. So you have to choose wisely a spot for your staircase, and you have to make a nice beautiful slope, not too steep and not too flat if you want a beautiful staircase. That's what I'm doing right here. Then when you have your perfect slope, you can finally plop props. So me, I choose the tombstone, the old tombstone number 5 or 6, something like this, because I wanted an old look for my staircase, as it would have been built a long time ago. And I'm using the AdvanceLine tool to plop the props very close by, almost side by side, to have this staircase effect. And I just locked the position. When I've plotted it, you have an option on the AdvanceLine tool, and this way they won't move whatever you do underneath them. Then I'm plopping a second range of tombstone to have the second handrail on the left side of the staircase, using a bit of recolor mode to have it beautiful. Then when you have created your beautiful staircase, you can move it, you can select all of the props and move it at the right place. It's way easier than to try to make it right away exactly where you want. And you can even follow the curve of the road like this by rotating one part of the staircase. And then the final step for the staircase itself is adding an underneath pass. This part, it's a bit tedious because you have to follow the staircase very closely if you don't want people to sink into the floor or to fly over the steps. So take your time and use manipulation mode to take node by node and make it as perfect as you can. And then when you're done with this step, you're done. So you just have to do a little work around to make the surrounding of the staircase nice, adding like plants and some tombstone, or you could also have used horizontal pillar from bridges. That would have been very nice too, but too modern for my use case. Then just some buildings on the bottom of the staircase, just for the view and for make it beautiful. Some decoration with plants, grass and flowers, and then you're ready to fly up your new staircase. Isn't it nice? And I'm really happy because it looks kind of beautiful and people are using it. That's the most important part. So yes. So you can appreciate this ride up to the old city that we've built on the last episode. And when we'll be up there, I have a very quick view on the next episode, which will be the industrial port that you can already see just there. So we're done with the staircase. I hope you loved it, and subscribe to see more. Bye.